Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add multiple conditions when selecting data from a table. So I will be using the and the where clause over here. So let's get started. So first thing, select asterisk from student. So we will be using the normal where class. So it's going to be where. So before showing you, let me just show the data. Yeah, if I just now select asterisk from my table, I'll be having roll number, mark and name. So this is really like simple stuff. Yeah, so let's continue with the command. So where clause and first condition, let me give the first condition as roll number greater than 5. So this is one condition. All right, so for using multiple conditions we can use or and keyword. So first let me go with and. So I will give and mark greater, okay, roll number I will go with greater than 3 and I will give mark greater than 50. Yeah, so if I just now run it, so this is how you give multiple conditions. So you can see, right, and so this will display only the tables that satisfies both of these conditions. So if I just now remove this particular mark, yeah, so here you can, and if I just now run it, yeah, so here you can see actually this 4 and 5 weren't displayed earlier when we had that mark greater than 50, because both of these mark are less than or equal to 50. So that's the reason why they aren't displayed. So using and, only if both the conditions are met, the particular row will be getting displayed. And in case if you want to use a string, like in case if you're having the same name repeated many times, or if you're having a yes or no condition, you can just assign it this way: and name equal to, within double quotes you need to specify the name John or Y or N depending upon your use case, but you need to give it within double quotes for string. Okay, so this is how you do for string. I think this won't work for in my case. I'm having different names. So this is how you do it for string. And in case if you're using or, it's going to be like this. So what or will basically do is that a particular row that satisfies any one of these conditions will be displayed. So over here when we used and, we had only one row, right? But now all the rows will be getting displayed because r number greater than is true for by default. Okay, so if I just run it, so here you can see, we are getting r number 1 because even this condition is false. This condition stands true because mark is greater than 50, and we are getting these values because r number is greater than 3 but mark is less than 50, but one condition is basically true. So that's the reason why it is displayed now. So I think these are some of the ways, and or and string, and these are most commonly used ones, I guess. So this is how you add multiple conditions when selecting a particular data from a table. And I hope you would have found this video useful. I have also run many other tutorials in MySQL, MongoDB, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.